Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the LOCGame token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything that you have to do in order to purchase this token. But before we get started, I just want to remind everyone I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to buy, sell, and lots more, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first thing that we have to do is open up Trust Wallet and get that open. I'm just going to let you guys know as well, I'm not going to show you how to buy or transfer Ethereum in this video, and I'm also not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet in this video. I'll have separate tutorials for those in the description and comment section if you guys need to learn how to do either of those two things first, but I'm going to already assume that you already have Ethereum inside of your Trust Wallets. So all we have to do once we have Ethereum in our Trust Wallets to add the LOCGame token is just go ahead to the CoinMarketCap link I have in the description. It'll give us the contact address that we have to paste inside of Trust Wallet. So if we just head over to the CoinMarketCap link I have in the description, it'll bring you over to the CoinMarketCap for LOCGame. Now, what we have to do is go beside where it says contracts and copy the contract address right here. Once we copy the contract address, we can go back into our Trust Wallets. Then we can go to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. And we just want to paste that contract address up in the top search here. Once we paste the contract address, we can enable the token and then click on done. Once we have the token in here, we can now head over to Uniswap. So I'll have a link in the description for Uniswap as well. And I'll show you guys what to do once you're on the Uniswap exchange. And once you're on Uniswap here, all we have to do is go to the top of the screen where we see the connect to a wallet button and click on that. Once we see that, we want to click on wallet connect. And then here we have to decide what wallet we want to choose. So you guys can use MetaMask or any other wallet you would like to. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So you just want to click on Trust Wallet. Then it's going to open up our Trust Wallet, asking us to connect it to Uniswap. So we're going to click on the connect button and then head back over to Uniswap. We'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet address up in the top of the screen, as well as our balance of Ethereum right here. So now all we have to do is click on select a token, and we want to paste that same address we got from CoinMarketCap right in here. Once we do that, we'll see the LOCGame token here, so we can click on import and then import. Now all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So you just go to that little settings gear beside swap and click on that. Once you click on that, you could change the slippage tolerance to 5%. So you can just back out here and change it to 5%. Then just click on done. And once you're good there, you now can type in the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer into the LOCGame token. So you just go ahead and type that amount in now. So let's just say if it was 0.2 for me, I could type that in. And then we're going to see this little thing here that says no liquidity, click here to trade with V2. So you just want to click on that. And that's going to show us how much of the LOCGame token you'll get in exchange for the amount of Ethereum that you wanted to spend. If you're happy with this, you can go ahead and click on the swap button where it says insufficient F balance for me. Once you click on swap there, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your gas fees and your other fees and things like that. If you're happy with what you see there, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. And then we can just head back over to our Trust Wallet, and the LOCGame token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to get the LOCGame token using Trust Wallet and Uniswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.